of its spine. Now put your both hands side and shoulder level. Put your both hands side and shoulder level. Now with inhalation, while exhale, slowly bend towards the left side. Your left palm should be touched on the floor and right hand above your head, and feel the stretch your side of the body. This reduce your side fat. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, opposite side, and don't lift up your thighs up. Thighs should be on the floor and do it. And feel the stretch your side of the body. Inhale, come back to center. Now exhale, opposite side. Don't look down, try to look up towards the ceiling. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, look towards the ceiling. Feel the stretch. Inhale, come to center. Exhale. The palm facing downward. Inhale, come to center. Exhale. 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 Now inhale, come to center. Exhale. Now we'll do last 2 more rounds. Inhale, come to center. Exhale. Inhale, come to center. Exhale. Inhale, come to center. Exhale. Now hold and maintain. Look up, feel the stretch your side of the body. You look towards the ceiling. Maintain the stretch. Feel the stretch your side of the body. Maintain with normal breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, opposite side. Feel the stretch. Look up, look towards the ceiling. Maintain with normal breath. 1. Your elbow should be straight. Don't bend your elbow. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come back to center and relax. Now we'll go for next practice. We'll do twisting. Now slowly bring your both hands side and shoulder level. Bend your elbow, finger pointed each other and palm facing downward. Yes, very good. Bend your elbow, all finger. Yes, inhale, come to center while exhale. Slowly look back, twist your abdomen muscle. Feel the stretch in abdomen muscle. Inhale, come back to center. While exhale, slowly look opposite side. Twist your abdomen muscle. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, opposite side. Inhale, come to center. Exhale. Elbow should be straight. When you go back, your elbow should be straight. Don't bend. Stretch your hand. Yes. Inhale, come to center. Exhale. 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 Inhale, come to center. Exhale, hold. Bend back and maintain. Twist your abdomen muscle, maintain with normal breath. Your hands, both hands should be shoulder level, not down. Your spine should be straight. Look back, twist completely, maintain with normal breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, opposite side, maintain and look back. Twist completely, maintain with normal breath. 1, 2, 3, 5. Slowly come back and relax. So stretch your leg, relax in Shitala Dandasana. Legs apart, one arm distance in between both feet, hands back, palm facing downward, finger pointed backward. Relax in Shitala Dandasana. Now we'll go for next practice. Next practice we will do butterfly. So fold your leg one by one. First right leg, then left leg. Fold your leg one by one. Your spine neck should be erect. Your spine neck should be erect. You should sit straight. Interlock your fingers. Okay, we'll start flapping the thighs. Okay, start flapping with normal breath. Your spine neck should be erect. Start flapping. This will be good for reduce your thigh muscle and buttock muscle. Continue flap. It will give you more strength and stretch your. Continue the flapping. Continue flap. Completely concentrate on your practice. Continue. 10 more rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly stop the practice. Now here. Now slowly inhale, look up. While exhale, slowly bend your lower back. Exhale, slowly bend forward, touch your forehead on the floor. Now inhale, look up. Feel the stretch on your thigh muscle. Exhale down, completely concentrate on your lower back. Inhale, look up. Exhale down. Inhale, look up, arch your back. Exhale, slowly bend forward. Bend your neck touch. Now last 2 more rounds. Inhale, look up. Exhale, slowly bend forward, bend your lower back. Yes, very good. Feel the stretch. Feel the stretch in your thigh muscle. Last round. Inhale up. Exhale, slowly bend forward. Now slowly stretch your both hands front. Stretch your both hands front. Yes. Touch your abdomen. On feet. Yes. Maintain. Bend forward, maintain with normal breath. Feel the stretch. Maintain with normal breath. Feel the stretch of shoulder joints. Feel the stretch of thigh muscle. Completely concentrate on your abdomen. Now slowly come up and relax. Stretch your leg. Now we'll go for next practice. We'll go Bhu Namanasana. So legs apart, one arm distance in between both feet. Okay. So here with inhale, on exhale, slowly twist your abdomen muscle and touch your forehead opposite side on the floor. Inhale, exhale, twist and maintain. Towards the right side first. Inhale, come to center. While exhale, twist opposite side and feel the stretch. Your abdomen muscle, reduce your abdomen fat. Inhale, come to center. Exhale. Twist. Very good. Don't lift up your thigh. Your thigh and hips should be on the floor. इसे उठाना नहीं है, इसको जमीन पर रख के करना है, जितना हो सके उतना. Twist and maintain. Very good. Inhale, come to center. Exhale. Feel the stretch in your abdomen or thigh muscle. Twist your spine. Yes, very good. Inhale, come to center. Exhale. Very good. Inhale, come to center. Exhale. Feel the changes. Completely concentrate on your practice. Inhale, come to center. Exhale. 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 Last round. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, hold and maintain. Feel the stretch. Don't hold your breath. Breath should be normal. Feel the stretch of the muscle. Feel the change in your spine. Don't hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come to center. Well, exhale, slowly twist opposite side and maintain. Maintain with normal breath. Have to touch your forehead on the floor. Feel the twist. Maintain 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly come back to center and relax. Now we'll go for next practice. Now slowly lie down in your abdomen. Come to Makrasana. Lie down in your abdomen. Lie down in your abdomen. Come to Makrasana. You relax in Makrasana, legs apart, heel facing each other. Cross your hands. Your right palm touch your left shoulder. Left palm touch your right shoulder. So in between the cross point, put your chin. Relax in Makrasana. Now we'll go for next practice. Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana. First we'll do breathing. Now come to sthiti, join your both legs together. Put your both hands last rib cage. Come to sthiti, join your both legs together. Bring your hands last rib cage. Full stretch your elbow. Now see the demonstration. Inhale up, full stretch. Full stretch your elbow. Feel the changes in your abdomen and back. Exhale down. Inhale up, full stretch. Don't bend your elbows, should be straight. Exhale down. Now inhale, stretch your hands up, look up, bend back. Exhale down. Last 3 more rounds. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now last round. Maintain. Inhales up. Feel the changes. Maintain completely concentrate on your abdomen. This is good practice to reduce your abdomen fat. Maintain with normal breath and feel the changes. Completely concentrate. Your legs should be together. Maintain. Exhale down and relax. Now we'll go for next practice. Next practice we'll do. Next practice name is swimming. Swimming. So you have to only touch your abdomen on the floor as the rest of the body up. So see the demonstration first. Stretch your both hands and stretch your leg. Now legs up and hands up like that. Okay. Now we'll start how to do. Full inhale and exhale. So only move your abdomen on the floor. Okay. Then it will move like that. It will be completely concentrated on your core muscle. So it will reduce your fat. Okay. So we'll start all together. Stretch your hands. Legs up. Yes. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Move your leg, not only for your hands. Move your leg also. Your legs should be moved. Yes, relax. Stop the practice. Now we'll go for next practice. Next practice name is Bhujangasana and Parvadasana sweep. First see the demonstration. This is good practice for core muscle and thigh muscles. So legs together, toes in. Your toes in. Legs together, put your hand last rib cage. Palm facing downward. Now slowly inhale, stretch your leg up, full straight. Don't touch your knee on the floor, knees up. And look back. While exhale, come to Parvadasana, mountain posture, and try to touch your heel on the floor. Okay, and look down, look towards your navel region. Now same, we can do it, continue. Inhale, come to Bhujangasana, full stretch your body and look back. Exhale, slowly come to Parvadasana, mountain posture. Don't touch your, inhale up, full stretch your body and bend back. Exhale, come to mountain posture. क्लास के बाद बात करता हूँ. Inhale up, exhale down. Last tomorrow. Inhale up, full stretch. Exhale down. Now we'll do last round. Inhale, full stretch, come to Bhujangasana. Don't hold your breath. Your breath should be normal and feel the changes. Don't hold your breath. Completely concentrate on your lower back, on your abdomen. Feel the stretch. Exhale, slowly come to Parvadasana, mountain posture. Slowly come to Parvadasana, mountain posture. Now here we will go next practice, Ashwa Sanchalanasana sweep. Ashwa Sanchalanasana in Parvadasana, then kick your leg. You will do it outside, okay? So right feet outside of the right palms. Or inhale, exhale. Your legs should be outside. Inhale, exhale, very good. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, opposite side. Same practice, opposite leg. Very good. Look up, feel the stretch, feel the press in your thigh muscle, hip joints. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale. Yes, opposite leg, continue. Inhale, come back to center. Parvadasana. Exhale, opposite side. Yes. Inhale, come back to center. Complete concentrate on your abdomen. Exhale. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, opposite side. Now last round. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, maintain, be there. Don't touch your knee on the floor. Your opposite means backside leg. Your right leg front, your left leg. Don't touch your knee. Knees up and maintain. Feel the stretch. Feel the stretch. Complete concentrate on your thigh muscle. Inhale, come back to center. Opposite leg will do opposite side. Kick your leg, knee straight and maintain. Feel the stretch. Now slowly put your legs back. Slowly knee on the floor, relax in Makrasana. Relax in Makrasana, legs apart, heel facing each other. Cross your hands, right palm touch your left shoulder, left palm touch your right shoulder. In between cross point, put your chin. Now slowly lie down your back, come to Shavasana. Lie down your back, come to Shavasana. Lie down your back, come to Shavasana. Legs apart, hands apart, palm facing the roof. Come to Shavasana. Completely concentrate on your breathing movement. Feel the changes after practice. Concentrate on your abdomen muscle, on your thigh muscle. Observe your breathing movement. Slow down your breath, come down your mind. Now we'll go for next practice. Straight leg rising. Straight leg rising we'll do next practice. So join your both legs together, hands by side of the body. Join your both legs together, hands by side of the legs should be straight. Yes, hands by side of the body. Now with inhalation, slowly right leg up without bending your knees, full stretch. Exhale down. Inhale, opposite leg up, alternative leg. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Without bending your knees. Exhale down. Last round. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down and left. Now we'll do both legs together. Okay. So put your hands under the hip. Put your hands palm facing downward. Put your hands under the hip. Now slowly. Inhale without bending your neck. Both legs up 90 degrees. Okay. This will be more concentrated on your abdomen muscle. Hands, thighs. Exhale down. This is good for overhead practice. Inhale up. Obesity practice. Exhale down. When go down, don't touch your heel on the floor. Heel up, okay? Inhale up. Completely concentrate. Exhale down. Do it slowly. Very good. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. 5 more rounds. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Continue to it. Exhale down. Inhale up. Feel the changes in your abdomen muscle and thigh muscle. Exhale down. This is good practice for reduce your fat. Inhale up. Now maintain. Come to 90 degrees. Yes. Be there. Now slowly legs down. Slowly legs down. Slowly. Yes. Go down. Slowly. Slow. Slowly down. Now relax. Stretch your leg. Release your hands. Relax in Savasana. Feel the changes. Now we'll go for next practice. Cycling. So join your both legs together. Same, put your hands under the hip, palm facing downward. Okay. So both legs fold. Both legs fold and yes. Now start cycling with normal, one by one. Start 1. Doing cycling like that. 2. Do it slowly, madam. Do it slowly. You should be stretch your knee. One go down. Stretch your knee. Knee should be straight. Madam, knee should be straight. Just see. Your knee should be straight, not like that. No, you should be straight your knee. Pull down, then go. Knee should be full straight. Very good. Continue. Continue do it. Your legs should be straight. When you go down, legs should be straight. Now we'll do reverse anti-clockwise. Down then up. Start 1. Just see first, see the demonstration. Just look one time. Yes, down, then up. Down, then up. Same we have to do it, not like that, don't bend your knee. First down, then up. The continue have to do it. Madam, just look one time. पहले एक बार देख लीजिए तो अच्छा रहेगा. आपका जो पोस्चर उसमें से नी बैंड है उससे गलत हो रहा है. आप पूरा नी को स्ट्रेट करिए, फिर लेके जाइए. जैसा हम शुरू में किए थे उसे क्रॉस पे भी सेम ऐसे करना। हाँ, वेरी गुड। रिलैक्स and stop the practice. Feel the changes. Feel the changes in your abdomen muscle. Observe the changes, completely relaxed. Now we go for next practice. So fold your both leg at the knee. Legs apart, hold your knee. Use your right hand, right palm hold your right knee, left palm hold your left knee. And legs little apart, not arm. Yes, inhale, come to center, roll, exhale. Press towards your abdomen and head up. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, press. 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 Last two more rounds. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, press. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, press and hold. Maintain with normal breath. Don't hold your breath. Your breath should be normal. Feel the changes in your core muscle. Completely concentrate. Now slowly come back and relax. Stretch your leg. Relax in Savasana. So legs apart, hands apart, palm facing the room. Completely relax your whole body. Tip of the toes to top of the head. Relax all parts, all joints, all muscle of the body. Now, come slowly shift around in your toes. Relax your toes. Relax your feet. Relax your heel. Relax your ankle joints, calf muscle, shin bone. Relax your knee joints. Relax your thigh muscle and thigh bone. Relax your pelvic joints. Relax your buttock muscle. Relax your waist region. So completely relax your lower part of the body, toes to waist region. Now we'll chant Akara 3 times. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply, chant Akara loudly all together. Inhale deeply. Last round, inhale deeply. Feel the beautiful vibration of chanting Akara in your lower part of the body. Feel the changes. Completely relax the lower part of the body, toes to waist region. Now slowly shift around in your middle part of the body, waist to neck. Shift around in your abdomen, relax your abdomen, abdomen muscle, abdomen organ. Relax your chest, rib bone and rib cage. Now slowly shift around in your back, completely concentrate on your back. So relax your lower back, relax your middle back, relax your upper back, relax your back muscle and backbone, relax your all vertebral joints, completely relax. Completely relax your whole back. Now slowly shift your awareness in your fingers. Relax your finger one by one, thumb, index, middle, ring, and little finger. Relax your finger joints, relax your palm, wrist joints, lower arms, elbow, upper arms, bicep and tricep. Relax your shoulder joints, shoulder muscle and shoulder bone. Relax your collarbone. Relax your neck muscle. So completely relax the middle part of the body, waist to neck. Furthermore, relaxation in middle part of the body will chant Ukara three times. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply. Inhale deeply. Inhale deeply. Last round, inhale deeply. Feel the beautiful vibration of chanting Ukara in your middle part of the body. Observe the changes. Completely relax your middle part of the body. Now, slowly shift awareness in your upper part of the body, head region. Shift awareness in your chin. Relax your chin. Relax your cheek muscle. Relax your lower lips and upper lips, teeth, tongue. Relax your upper palate and lower palate. Slowly shift awareness in your tip of the nostril. Relax your nostril, nasal cavity. Relax your eye, eyeball. Relax your eyebrow and eyelids. Relax your forehead. Keep smile on your facial muscle. So completely relax your facial muscle. Now shift awareness in your head. Relax your back of the head, side of the head, front of the head and crown of the head. Completely relax your head region. Now further more relaxation in your upper part of the body. We'll chant Makara 3 times. So take a deep breath, inhale deeply. Inhale deeply. Last round we'll chant Makara. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply. Feel the beautiful vibration of chanting Makara in your upper part of the body. Observe the changes, completely relax. So completely relax your whole body, tip of the toes to top of the head. Relax your all parts, all joints, all muscle of the body. Feel the changes, completely relax your whole body, tip of the toes to top of the head. Feel the changes in your whole body. Now, further more relaxation, your whole body will chant Omkara 3 times. Take a deep breath, inhale deeply. On exhale, chant Omkara. Inhale deeply. Last round, inhale deeply. Feel the beautiful vibration of chanting Omkara throughout your whole body. Feel the beautiful resonance throughout your whole body. After chanting Omkara, completely relax your whole body. Observe the changes, totally relax. Now slowly shift your awareness in your toes, move your fingers. So join your both legs together, hands by side of the body, legs together, both legs together, hands by side of the body. Now bring your right hand above your head along the ground. Put your left palm on your abdomen. So hold your left leg at the knee. Now slowly turn towards your right side. Stretch your left leg. Put your left palm on your left thigh. Feel the linear awareness in your right side of the body. Now slowly bring your left palm in front of your chest along the ground. Bend your both leg at the knee with help of your both palm. Come back to sitting position. Sit in any meditative posture. So we'll go for next practice. We'll do pranayama. So sit in a meditative posture. We'll do it Kapalbhati. So Kapalbhati, those who have high BP, they should avoid this practice. Okay. Other rest of the people can do it now. So this is good for reduce your abdominal fat in Kapalbhati. Now sit straight out of chin mudra in your both palms. Touch your thumb and index finger each other. Now passive inhalation, exhale forcefully with abdomen movement. We'll do 1 minute per second, one stroke. Okay. First we'll do 2 second, one stroke. Means 1 minute 30 stroke. Then we'll go for second down. Okay. So we'll start passive inhalation, exhale forcefully with abdomen movement. When exhale, your abdomen goes in. Here, continue to do it. Very good. Continue. Slowly stop the practice. Observe the changes. Slow down in your breath. Feel the changes in your head region. After part of the body after practice Kapalbhati. Completely concentrate on your breathing movement. Now we'll go for next second round Kapalbhati. So same. Now we'll do 1 second once two. We'll do 1 minute per second once two. So start slowly. Start Kapalbhati. Continue the practice. Passive inhalation, exhale forcefully with abdomen movement. Now slowly stop the practice. Feel the changes. Eyes should be closed. Completely concentrate on your abdomen muscle. Observe the changes. Feel the changes in your head region. Slow down your breath. Calm down your mind. Feel the changes. Now we'll go for next practice, Anulom Vilom and Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. So left hand chin mudra, right hand Nasika mudra. Fold your index and middle finger. This is called Nasika mudra. Fold your two fingers. Use your right hand here. Now close your right nostril, help of your thumb. Inhale through left nostril. Close your left nostril, use your ring finger. Open your right nostril, exhale through right nostril. Now inhale through right nostril. Exhale through left. This is called one round. So you have to do it 9 times or 9 rounds. First inhale through left, then exhale through right, then inhale through right nostril, exhale through left. This is called one cycle or one round. So do it 9 rounds slowly. Close your eyes. Continue the practice 9 rounds. Do it slowly. Just completely concentrate on your breathing movement. Slow down your breath. Now after complete 9 rounds of Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, so slowly stop the practice. Feel the changes. Observe the changes, slow down your breath, calm down your mind. Completely relax. Your eyes should be closed. Don't open your eyes. Feel the changes after practice Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Now we'll go for next practice, Bhramari. So touch your tip of the tongue on your upper palate. Out of Chin Mudra, we'll do 5 times. So take a deep breath, inhale deeply. While exhale, chant Nakara or female honeybee sound. Touch your tip of the tongue on your upper palate. Close your mouth, close your eyes. Inhale deeply. While exhale, chant Nakara. 5 times. Second round, inhale deeply. Inhale deeply. Continue 2 more rounds. Now slowly stop the practice. Feel the changes in your head region, upper part of the body. Feel the beautiful vibration of chanting Bhramari in the upper part of the body, head region. Completely relax. Now slowly join out of Namaskar Mudra. Join your both palms together in front of your heart region. So we'll conclude the session with one Omkara Trisanti all together. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Now slowly gently rub your palms. Generate the hip, make it firm. Apply on a facial muscle. Feel the warm sensation on a facial muscle. Now slowly open your eyes, look at your palm. Then muscle and thank you. Namaskar.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Ajay.
sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye,
Thank you,
everyone.
everyone.
Thank you.
See you
Bye.
tomorrow
Bye.
at the same time.
See you. Bye.
Good evening.
Good evening to all. Bye.
Bye.